So when I got started with this project, I didn't think it was a good idea to select a game instead of doing something more meaningful or more useful. But then I thought, I can make this. So what I tried to do was to take every single lesson that we learned with Mr. Johnson in class, and then I would practice at least one portion of that lesson. What I ended up doing was something that I think is really good because I think people actually enjoy playing with it. I tried to focus on different games that were simple but yet entertaining. And that's how I did this project. My name is Diego and I'm here to show you PixelChaser. Probably this was not the best name or the best game, but at least I tried my best to use the knowledge gained in class and also to try to make it as fun as possible and to try to create different scenarios for different things that could happen within the game. PixelChaser was designed to leverage the unique capabilities of the Bluefruit device, from sound detection to interactive lights. I truly think this game is a testament to the versatility of Python in creating engaging experiences. Now, I want to keep things moving with this video and make it as easy as possible to understand the dynamics of the game. So let's get right into it right now.
Alright, in PixelChaser, you're in control of a pixel starting at position 7 that moves in one direction towards its target at position 2. Your mission? Well, that would be to prevent this pixel from reaching its goal. But there's a twist. Every time you press a button, the pixel changes direction and speeds up, making the game increasingly challenging. The longer you play, the more points you rack up. Be careful, because when it reaches the goal, it's game over. PixelChaser offers 3 unique modes, each with its own set of challenges. Let's explore them. The first one is regular mode. Jump into the action by pressing both buttons simultaneously. Watch as the game begins, with the pixel racing towards its target. Your goal is to dodge the end point, with the intensity ramping up as you progress. Next up, let's talk about silent mode. For those moments when you need to keep the noise down, this mode is your friend. To activate it, all you need to do is shine a light on the device. And even without sound, you're not missing out the fun. You'll be greeted with an enchanting light show that not only looks cool, but also signals you're stepping into a quieter challenge, so you can keep playing without making a peep. Okay, now, ready for the ultimate test? Activate challenge mode by blowing on the device. The game kicks off in high gear with a red alert, and you're thrown into the deep end with maximum speed from the get-go. Survive this mode and you'll earn double points. Regardless of the mode, your skill is measured in points, reflecting how long you can keep the game going. While you can always glance at the screen to see your score, there's a special audio cue for breaking your highest score. At the end of each game, the lights give you instant feedback on your performance. Red indicates room for improvement. Yellow is good, blue is better, and green, well, green is the mark of a PixelChaser master. On-screen messages will offer encouragement or praise based on your achievements, including whether you've set a new high score.
Now, the journey to develop this game was filled with learning curves. I encountered so many difficulties, like integrating different features of the Bluefruit device or designing a scoring system. There were also other problems that I didn't really know just because I hadn't practiced enough on Python, but that was the whole idea of this project, I think. And every challenge was an opportunity to learn more about Python and problem solving in programming in general. One of the aha moments was when realizing how absorbed I could get in this creative process. Truly my very first experience to the engaging nature of programming. Now, if given more time, I would probably just improve the game by getting feedback. That would allow me to see what works and what does not work, what people enjoy, and how to make it a better version of itself. However, I would probably just do something different. I would spend more time on trying to focus on different projects that would be more meaningful, like more useful. For example, I would probably just use the sound detector and try to make that to detect actual words to see if that's something that this device can do, which I believe could probably work, but we'll have to see that. And now for a bit of fun, if time permits, at the end of today's class, I invite you all to participate in a PixelChaser challenge. Each participant will have the chance to play for 3 to 5 minutes. But here's the twist. To qualify for the prize, you will have to have at least 25 points. But that's just the beginning. Among those who cross this threshold, the person with the highest score will claim a $25 Amazon gift card. So, who's ready to showcase their PixelChaser prowess and potentially walk away with this amazing reward? Thank you for your attention.